is the Value Adjustment Board's agreement to the above terms. Please note the following written on the back of the check. Lawful money in full discharge is demanded for all transactions per 12 USC 411 and 12 USC 95A. Once endorsed, you have agreed to those terms. So just to give you a quick heads up, I had that written on the back and the clerk got really nervous because she couldn't stamp it, and I saw, there was a issue, like not quite all there. I needed to get this filed. I gave her $15 in legal tender, which were already, when cashed, it's all transactions are under lawful money and discharge under 12 USC 95A. In continuing, if this petition is ignored, there are remedies under UCC Admiralty Maritime available. As of this writing, I honestly cannot be bothered to pursue such a course of action. I have offered a sincere apology asking for forgiveness if I am incorrect that Lori can in fact use Federal Reserve notes based upon fair market value in her tax assessment to compute a tax. Have her sign the tax assessment, witness before a notary, stamped with notary seal, where such fair market value tax assessment on Lori's claim used where such fair market value tax assessment on Lori's claim uses a proposed millage rate in order to compute a tax. Simply correct and explain to me my error. Just make sure it is not legal nonsense, as I will further investigate the matter fully. Because I have been forced to go this route of this petition before this tribunal, a copy of this entire package has been forwarded to various other public officials, government agencies for their review. Again, please understand it was Bertha, Sharon, Lori, and Myla who forced this issue and not me. I sincerely hope this matter will not be ignored. I have come to you in peace and in support of the United States. I trust our goals are compatible to this end. When writing to me, I go by my given name, Anthony or Tony for short. I would appreciate it to correspond on this level of living being to living being as opposed to fiction to fiction. However, if you decide to send correspondence to Anthony Rubio or Mr. Rubio, please be aware you have provided evidence by the authenticated birth record that these titles are factitious entities, and you so agree to that status knowingly, intentionally, and voluntarily. You have been provided this usufruct compliant certified certificate. I presume that my personal safety in filing this petition will not be compromised in any manner whatsoever. Harm to the created of the Creator does have universal law consequences. I have come to you in peace. I fully expect the same in return. Thank you, and God bless you. By Anthony Rubio, authorized signature. And again, to go over this, I put the authenticated birth certificate and all that in there. So this is part one of this. I'm going to be doing part two in a few minutes for you. Today's date is the 20th of October 2016. There are three parts to this video. I don't know how this is working with YouTube and how it's going to work out, so I'll put it in different parts. But again, I want this out there. It's not about being angry. It's not about getting away with anything. It's about educating the public and the use of private credit, and all to our detriment, for basically, as it appears to me, the personal profit and gain of public officials on our blood, sweat, and tears. So I'll get back to you soon with the other two pieces of letters or notices I sent to the Value Adjustment Board. Okay? Thank you.